Morning, students. Ye- Yesterday we have already completed our chapter 12, music and dances, music and dance of India. Today we will discuss about our chapter through flowchart. Once again we will discuss our chapter music and dance from of India through flowchart. So let's start. Music and dance form of India, divided into four part. First is classical dance. In this topic, Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathak, Manipuri. There are 8 classical dances form of India: Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, Kathak, Manipuri, Kuchipudi, Odissi, Moniyattam and Satariya. Second, folk dance. Folk dance form of India reflect the lifestyle of the people of different regions of India. They are performed by common people to celebrate different occasions such as the arrival of seasons. Bhangra, Garba, Kalbelia, etc. Now, music of India. Music of India. India classical music is divided into two types: Hindustani music and Carnatic music. In Hindustani music, practiced in the northern part of India. Northern part of India. It involves the uses of tanpura, sitar, harmonium, veena, santoor, tabla, dholak, sarangi, and flute. Now, next is Carnatic music, practiced in the southern part of India. Southern part of India. It involves the use of violin, veena, nadaswaram, mridangam, tambourine, and ghatam. So, students, finally, today our chapter has complete. Thank you, students.